Hello guys, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing great. We are from Maqbool Solutions Software Company, and in today's video, we'll be discussing a very important function of eSalesAnalyst point of sale software. Multiple users, also known as user privileges. If your business has multiple salesmen or multiple counters, especially if you run a cash and carry or a pharmacy type business where different employees use the software, then you definitely need user access control. Why? Because you don't want everyone to see and edit everything, right? For example, if you have an accounts department, you may want them to view only accounting related data while hiding other business operations from them. Let's see how to do that. Adding a new user. The software gives you full control over user management. Here's how you can add a new user. 1. Click on the Add Person button. 2. If you already have users, they will be displayed here. 3. To create a new user, click on Add. 4. Enter a username. You can use alphabets and numbers. 5. Make sure both username and password are strong so no one can easily guess them. 6. Enter the full name of the user. 7. Define their role. Are they a salesman, accountant, manager, or cashier? Once the user is created, it's time to set their privileges. This is where the real power comes in. You can control exactly what each user can see and do in the software. Dashboard access. If enabled, the user can see the dashboard. If disabled, they won't even know it exists. Invoices and sales bills. If enabled, the user can create, view, edit, and delete invoices. But what if you don't want them to see all sales? You can restrict their access. Maybe you want them to create bills but not edit them. No problem. Once a bill is made, it will be final unless an admin approves changes. Deleting invoices, that's a big deal. Usually only admins can do that to prevent fraud or mistakes. Sales returns. Want to stop employees from making unauthorized returns? Simply disable this option. Purchasing. Not everyone should be able to make purchases, right? Assign this only to authorized users. Price list. Should your employees see or modify product prices? You decide. Stock and inventory. You can allow users to view stock, but not edit or change anything. Or go one step further, hide the stock details completely. No more, "Sir, is this item in stock?" because they won't even know. Financial data and reports. This is critical. You can hide sensitive data like ledgers, cash registers, and bank statements. Profit and loss reports. You probably don't want your salesmen seeing them, right? Restrict access. Saving and managing users. After setting up all permissions, click Save. Your new user is ready. Whenever they log in, they will only see what you allowed them to see. Want to update their role later? No worries, just go to Settings. Need to change their password? Easy. Do it from the same menu. Best part? There's no limit on the number of users you can create. Best practices for user management. Always create separate accounts for major roles like salesman, accountant, cashier, etc. If an employee leaves, just edit their user account instead of creating a new one. This keeps your business secure. Managing multiple cashiers and salesmen. If you run a cash and carry store or a mart, then you might have multiple cashiers. Here's how you can ensure that. 1. Every invoice includes the salesperson's name. 2. Go to Settings, Salesman Settings, and choose Optional. You manually enter the salesperson's name for each bill. Mandatory. The system automatically adds the logged-in salesperson's name on the bill. This makes sure that the cashier's name appears on every invoice. You can track who made each sale. Your business runs smoothly, even with multiple counters. That's all for today's video, folks. Hope this guide helped you understand how to manage users in eSales POS. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our solutions team. Until next time, take care and goodbye.